Today we are going to learn the trick of how to draw a straight line in Photoshop Express iPhone app free edition. Show me how, Jake! First, we're going to open up Google Chrome and search for the type of line we want. In this example, I will be searching for a vertical white line. Next, we will save the image of the vertical white line to our photos. Once you do this, exit out of Chrome. Next, open up the Photoshop Express app. Select the option Combined Photos. Then select the line photo. Select the option Cutout. Wait for subject to load. Once loaded, select Subject. The line should be highlighted and ready to save. Click Save button. Next, close out of Photoshop Express. Open up Camera Roll and make sure the line has an invisible background. Then close Camera Roll and reopen Photoshop Express. Click Combine Photos and select the photo you want to have a line on it. Press the plus sign and select the line photo. Expand and adjust line as wanted. Once line is where you want it, click Save, and you're done.